So today I'm going to show you how I made this geode. The first thing I did was took a canvas and painted it with this teal and this purple color, and then I just hot glued some acrylic gems on here. So I took some pigments. I have a teal, a purple, and a gold, and I just put them in cups, and now I'm just going to start mixing up some resin. Of course, anytime working with resin, you want to wear gloves and a respirator mask at all times. So I'm going to be using Artworks resin. It's a 2-part resin, a part A and a part B. You're going to pour equal parts into a cup and mix them for approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour some resin into these cups with the pigments and mix them each for approximately a minute. Now I'm going to start with the green, and I'm just going to pour the resin on top of the green acrylic paint that I previously put down on the canvas, trying to stay within the lines. Then I'm just going to take my popsicle stick and smooth it around to the edges. And now I'm just going to pour the purple over the purple acrylic paint. And now what I'm doing is I'm just taking some clear resin that's left over and I'm drizzling it on top of those acrylic gems just to make sure they stay down glued in place. Now I'm going to take my gold and I'm just going to swipe my popsicle stick through the resin because I don't want my lines to be too thick. And now I'm going to grab my butane torch and I'm just going to quickly go back and forth popping any air bubbles. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking some gold pinata alcohol ink and a paintbrush, and I just squirt a little bit in a dish. And I'm pretty much just painting the acrylic gems around the edges just to add some more of the gold shine. And this is it. It's all dry and it's shining in the sun, and I think it looks beautiful. I hope you like it.